Get all the latest news and coronavirus and more delivered daily to your inbox. Sign up here.
Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer defended on Sunday her aggressive lockdown measures during the coronavirus pandemic, arguing that they were necessary even as some residents protest them as too severe.
Whitmer admitted that her state's expanded lockdown measures had been both mentally and economically hard on Michiganders, but said that the moves have flattened the curve in the fight against the contagion.
What we've done most people in Michigan agree with and think we've done the right thing, Whitmer said in an interview on ABC's This Week. There was going to be astronomical increase and we've flattened the curve because we're doing the right thing.
Michigan's stay-at-home order now bans visits to friends, relatives, governor says.
As of Sunday morning, Michigan had just over 37,200 confirmed cases of the novel coronavirus with 3,274 confirmed deaths, according to figures compiled by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. On Saturday, the state saw 562 new cases of COVID-19, the lowest number of new infections since late March.
Whitmer announced earlier this month an expansion to her state's stay-at-home orders, which, among other things, prohibits residents from visiting family or friends with exceptions for providing care, bans public and private gatherings regardless of size or family ties, and places restrictions on what types of businesses may operate and in what capacity.
The order stirred up anger among some of Whitmer's constituents, with thousands of cars and trucks descending on the state capital of Lansing to protest them in a demonstration called Operation Gridlock.
Quarantine is when you restrict movement of sick people. Tyranny is when you restrict the movement of healthy people. Michon Maddock, an organizer of Operation Gridlock with the Michigan Conservative Coalition, told Fox News. Every person has learned a harsh lesson about social distancing. We don't need a nanny state to tell people how to be careful.
Click here for complete coronavirus coverage.
At the time, Michigan had the fourth highest number of confirmed COVID-19 cases. Since implementing Whitmer's restrictions, the state has dropped to having the 10th highest number of cases.
We have a unique issue in Michigan and we had a unique solution, Whitmer said. It was more aggressive than other states, but we've saved lives in the process.
Despite the protests, the majority of people in Michigan appear to like the job Whitmer is doing to contain the outbreak. A recent Fox News poll found that 63% of Michigan residents approve of Whitmer, compared to just 35% who disapprove of her job performance.
The poll also found that 53% of Michigan voters have a favorable opinion of Whitmer, compared to 37% who have an unfavorable opinion.